If you're facing this error which says cannot get mail, the mail server is not responding, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this error on any iPhone. Now to start, first of all, just open the control center, then go to the connection section in your control center. And from here, just make sure you have a good internet connection. Now after you check the internet connection, then just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on it again and turn it off. Now what this basically does is that it does a quick network refresh of your iPhone. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings just tap on apps. From this app list, just look for the mail app, then tap on it. Then tap on mail accounts, and from here just select the email account from which you're having this problem. For example, I'll select Gmail. Now just enable the toggle for mail from here. Now from here just tap on account settings, then tap on advanced. Under the incoming settings, just disable use SSL and check if your issue is fixed or not. And also from here, just make sure that the port number is correct for the email which you're using. Now if this did not work, then just go back, and under your email account, just select delete account, then select delete from my iPhone, then tap on add account, and log back into your email account which you have removed. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to sign into your email account. Now after you do that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just tap on general. Under the general settings, just scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Now if you are connected to any VPN network, just remove it from here, because sometimes this error appears because of a VPN network to which you are connected. Just remove any VPN which is connected to your iPhone and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to general, and from here just tap on software update. Now just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after you do that, you will fix the cannot get mail, the mail server not responding problem on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.